Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's like real people.
I keep putting the music. You go ahead, Oprah.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no eating or drinking, no chewing gum, no driving or riding in the motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I first have Bernicia Waiters. Ms. Waiters? Okay, unmute yourself.
Good morning, I'm here.
Good morning. Now calling the matters of the people versus Bernicia Waiters. This is ticket SP 1317907. One count one, drove unregistered untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1317906. One count 11 to 15 miles over speed. Also calling tickets number SP 143161111. This is one count of 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Count two is no insurance misdemeanor. And count three is defective or missing equipment. The last three tickets I called aren't scheduled for my docket until May 5th, 2023. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Police of Court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name?
Bernicia Waiters.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant is here for pretrial. We ask that pretrial be adjourned to give the defendant an opportunity to do the better driver's course she's been advised.
All right, Ms. Waiters, I'm going to adjourn this. You already have 2 speeding tickets, and it's not like it's a 1 to 5 over either. So you really need to make sure you keep your speed at a regular pace, because you have a 21 to 25 miles per hour, and that was fast for that zone. So just keep that in mind, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to give you a pretrial date of May 22nd. May 22nd at 8:30 a.m. That's going to be the last pretrial, though. You got to make some decisions on that date and time, because this has already been one pretrial, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on the new cases. The old cases will remain how they are, okay?
Okay.
All right, see you on May 22nd at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
I can exit out, right?
Yep, you can go ahead and leave, ma'am. I'll see you
All right.
May 22nd, okay?
Alrighty.
Troy Ware?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Troy Ware. This is ticket SP 1334543. One count drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 935920. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
Troy Vincent Ware.
Thank you, Mr. Ware, and good morning. Judge, we are asking that the court enter a not guilty plea for arraignment purpose on set these matters for a waiver trial by Zoom. The defendant's been advised.
All right.
There's a genuine material issue.
Please raise your right hand, Mr. Ware. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set it for a trial on the date of June 5th. June 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m., June 5th. Sir, did you have to pay any type of bond for these cases?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. June 5th,
You're
9 a.m.
Yep, huh?
That'd be another Zoom case on June 5th at 9 a.m., right?
June
Okay.
5th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Yep, same Zoom information that you're using right now, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'll see you then, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Am I done now? Yeah.
Yep, you're done. You can go ahead and log off, okay?
Thank you, babe. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. Zarnista Williams?
This me, I'm here.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Zarnista Williams. This is ticket
Yes.
SP 1392739, count 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number SP 1410820, count 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Count 2, defective brake lights. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. And ticket number SP 1410830, count, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
My name is Denise Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. We will thank the court for its formal reading of the information and stand mute, asking the court to enter a not guilty plea and set these matters for a pretrial, please, and thank you.
All right, at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Ma'am, your pretrial will be May 22nd. May 22nd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set for today. I'll see you May 22nd, okay?
Thank you, Miss Taylor.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You have a blessed one as well.
Jeremiah Young? Hey. Lewis. Jeremiah Young?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of people versus Jeremiah Young. This is ticket SP 1318001. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, fraudulent false insurance information. Also calling ticket number SP 1317870. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Jeremiah Young.
Mr. Young, state your name. I'm sorry, one more time.
Jeremiah Young.
Thank you. Judge, Mr. Young is going to plead pursuant to the recommendation. He's going to waive rights to any trial today.
All right, and I believe the recommendation is a speeding. What was the speed for that?
The speeding was 6 to 10 over limited access. That's a 1-point offense. The balance of these cases would be dismissed here today. Thank you.
All right, will you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket for a factual basis for that, police counsel?
Absolutely, yes. So stipulated, Your Honor. I also stipulate to probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here.
All right, fantastic. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge of limited access, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. The remaining counts called under this record today will be dismissed, Mr. Young. The fine for that is $135. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that enough time for you, Mr. Young?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we'll have it due no later than April 4th is that date, Mr. Young. April 4th, the 135 is due, okay?
Yes.
All right, if you have any reinstatement fees, sometimes that's extra, but you'll be able to see when you go to the court. But the fine that I'm giving today is $135, okay?
Okay, so I have to go in and pay this, or can I
No, you
call?
go online at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay, thank you so
Yep.
much.
You are very welcome, Mr. Young.
I learned from my mistake, and I was going down a bridge, and I just had got some good news, and I was trying to hurry up and get to it, and that's how I got them tickets. And I learned from my mistake, and now I learned not to do that again.
I understand, Mr. Young. I've gotten a speeding ticket before in my life too, so don't feel bad. We just
Okay,
gotta slow down and watch ourselves. It's okay. Thank you for the apology, but I understand, Mr. Young, I don't look at you wrong. I've got pulled over by the police as well. So we just gotta make sure we learn from our lessons and slow down just a little bit, okay?
yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. You enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Juan Wells? Mr. Wells? I'll pull somebody else in. Hopefully he'll hear us talk. Oh, there he is. All right,
There he is.
Mr. Wells?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of people versus DeJuan Wells. This is ticket number 409264. One count, no operator's license in possession. I also have a ticket C524449. That's drove while license suspended, count one. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
DeJuan Wells.
Thank you, Judge. For arraignment purposes, please enter a not guilty for the defendant and set the matter for pre-trial. He's going to be able to get his license and come back with that.
All right, fantastic. I'm going to set this for pre-trial, sir, on the date of May 22nd. May 22nd at 8:30 a.m. Sign back on, and we'll be able to handle this. Did you have to pay some type of bond in order to get this on my docket today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna continue that bond until you show back up, okay?
Okay.
All right, so if there's nothing further, you're all set. I'll see you on May 22nd with that license, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, Mr. Wells, if there's nothing further, you're all set. I'll see you May 22nd, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day. You can leave, Mr. Wells. You know how to get out?
Yes, I'm leaving.
It's okay. Cameron, right? Now calling the matter. Oh, we got somebody by. It's a live one. You got some people by you, Attorney Bowman?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay, Mr. Wright. 1 second. Now calling the matter of the people versus Calvin Wright. This is ticket SP 1201111. Count one, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count two, drove while license not valid. Count three, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
My name is Calvin Wright.
Thank you. Your Honor, would you please accept a not guilty plea from the defendant today? It's pre-trial. Set these matters for a waiver trial by Zoom. We're going to need Corporal McCree for a resolution.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance, Mr. Wright, to talk to Attorney Bowman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial where the officer will have to actually appear in court, and then we'll be able to make some decisions based off of that, and you'll be able to testify and all of that if you want to and hear the testimony. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to set it for June 5th. Write that down somewhere, June 5th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on June 5th at 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
June 5th, 9 a.m. I'll be there. Thank you.
All right, fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Wright. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you. Have a good one.
Bond said, did you pay any bond? That was my last thing. Did you pay any bond to get these on my docket? No. Okay, bond set at $0, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day.
You as well.
Good morning, Judge. We have 2 officers in the waiting room. May I release them? Neither of their defendants are here.
One second, I'm almost finished. I'm gonna release them after I finish these.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. It's just now turned to the clock. They may come in at 10:02. Like I did yesterday. You know, we'll talk about that later. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please?
Pardon?
Turn on your are you able to turn your camera on for me, please? See, after you start your video. There you go, Mr. Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Williams. This is ticket number 7366751. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Also calling ticket number SP 1325479. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Pardon?
Please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
William Henry Williams.
Your name, please.
William Henry Williams.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. We're here for show cause, so we would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea for the defendant for arraignment purposes. He has brought in valid documents. The prosecutors offered, since he brought in a driver's license, that charge would be reduced to failure to display a valid driver's license, a 0-point offense, and the balance of the cases would be dismissed here. I'm gonna follow that recommendation, please, Your Honor.
If that's the case, Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
The video went out. All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
No, I didn't. Yes.
You talked to. Now, whoever's in the room, you can't answer because I have them keeping a record. And so I can't just have voices shouting out, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
At that time, I know you have your license now, but at that time you didn't have your license, right?
Yeah, at that time I did have my license.
Oh, you did?
May I have one of the witness, Your Honor?
You can. I'm still
Mr.
trying
Williams,
to establish that.
when you
Okay,
were
go
pulled over,
Pardon?
okay, did you have it on you the day that the officer pulled you over?
The officer told me I had my license, but I didn't have a valid registration on the car. What I had was
Can we do it in proper plates here?
We can.
pardon?
Thank you.
People have no objection.
Thank you. So now, we're gonna fit you into something a little more cheaper, okay? You'll pay a fine for having an improper plate, okay? Rather than a fine for having, not having your license, okay, Mr. Williams? And I'm satisfied with the factual statements.
I ain't really finished the other part yet, but. Okay, the court is satisfied as well. It's okay, Attorney Bachman, because he got it. So, sir, I'm going to enter a plea to 1 count amended, no, improper plate. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. All right, Mr. Williams, are
Yes,
you on
ma'am.
fixed income?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Would you be able to pay a fine in the amount of $200?
No, ma'am.
Let me ask you this, do you still have this vehicle?
Pardon?
Do you still have this vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
So is it all up to date? Do you have insurance on it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Valid insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
He does, Your Honor. I received those documents.
All right. Okay. All right. I give you a break, but you gotta keep everything up to date. I'm gonna waive this cost and fines. But if you have any reinstatement fees, you have to
Thank you.
pay those, okay? You're welcome. All right, sir. You're all set. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Hello.
You good, Mr. Williams? You can go ahead. You want me to sign you off? Oh. Donna Wheeler? Now calling the matter of the people versus Donna Wheeler. This is U ticket 596-74321. This is one count city parks, places at time of closure. So it's in the park after dark. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Donna Wheeler.
Thank you, Judge. Please enter a not guilty plea for arraignment purposes and set this matter for a trial, Your Honor. There's a genuine issue of material fact, and we ask for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
Ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Ms. Wheeler, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial or a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of June 5th. June 5th via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in that day at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
There's nothing further. Okay,
Thank you.
you're good.
Mhm.
You're welcome. All right. Yes.
This is Sergeant Moon for Alton Williams at 9 o'clock. He did not show up.
He did not show up. It's okay. So it is. You can go. All right, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. The last but not least is Mr. Dwayne Woods. Be careful out there, Sergeant. Now, Mr. Woods has a trial scheduled with me on Friday, Mr. Bachman. He has a ton of tickets, so I don't know what you want to do.
Adjourn to Friday.
Okay, Mr. Woods?
Those are his bargaining chips.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Woods, I was called, the case on the docket for today. Let me get that. Now calling the matters of people versus Dwayne Edward Woods. This is ticket number SP 12942-481. This is one count driving while license suspended. Ticket SP 12942-482. No insurance misdemeanor, and ticket SP 13461-771. This is one count drove while license suspended. Today is the date and time setting these matters for a show cause. Can I have your appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel?
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Dwayne Woods.
Judge, the defendant missed his last action date inadvertently. Would ask if today you would enter a not guilty plea and set this matter for a pretrial, as the defendant is returning this Friday for a trial. We set this for a pretrial hearing on the same date.
Well, I don't even know if Mr. Woods pays attention. He walking around, he reaching for stuff. That's probably how he missed his last court date. You paid attention, Mr. Woods, and you got stuff at the house that you need to do. That's more important right now.
No, I'm running late for work. That's all, ma'am. I'm just trying to make sure I hear what y'all saying.
Okay. All right. We'll see you on Friday. I'm gonna set all these matters on Friday. You have a trial, a bench trial on Friday before me, okay, Mr. Woods, for 3 of the tickets Then we'll handle the rest of them. You have a whole lot of tickets.
I know, ma'am, but when they send me my court dates out, I got 2 addresses. They be sending it to the wrong address. Some come here and some go to the other address, but I try to
You trying to get it all to the same
go and get my
address?
mail from my old address, but they won't let me.
Oh, Mr. Woods, call the courtroom so we can make sure we have the right address, but just come on Friday, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you Friday for your trial, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see you then, Mr. Woods. See, I fussed at you and you had an explanation. You better get to work, okay? All right.
Thank you.
Bond set at $0 person. I'm adjourn the 3 tickets from today until Friday. All right, you're all set, Mr. Woods. Get to work.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I see you've returned, sir. How can we help you?
I just want to make sure I don't want to get in no trouble. So the other tickets is dismissed, and I just gotta pay that one ticket you said I gotta pay by the 4th of April.
That's right. I was gonna say all the other tickets today got dismissed, Mr. Young. And so you are only gonna pay for that one ticket, the 135 by April 4th, okay? The rest of the tinted windows, the no insurance, the fraudulent false information, those all got dismissed.
Okay, so can I pay that tomorrow, or I gotta wait till the 4th?
You can pay it tomorrow. Just wait till we get in the computer system. So wait until tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you. God bless. Thank you guys very much.
All right, you're very welcome. Thank you for coming back on and checking. I understand.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.